Hello everyone, welcome back on my channel Nutan Online Study. So today we are going to see how to make lesson plan on the topic plastic. So today our topic would be plastic. This topic is there in class 8 named synthetic fiber and plastic. And if you haven't watched my video on the topic synthetic fiber, I will give the link in the description box and you can check the link. But today our topic would be plastic. Okay, now let's see how to make lesson plan. And if you are new to my channel, please do subscribe my channel. I make video on the topic of B.Ed, and if you want lesson plan on different topic and different subjects, you can subscribe my channel. Now let's see how to make lesson plan. Okay, so here is our basic detail: name of school, class, date, subject, topic. Okay, for previous knowledge, so student is already aware of plastic and its daily uses that we use in our we use plastic in our daily basis. So student is already aware of that. So here we have to mention that students already aware of plastic and its use in our daily life because obviously we use plastic in our day-to-day life. So student is already aware of, and here we have to mention that. Okay, after that, here for general aim, we have to write what we want to teach to students. Okay, so to enable them to understand types of plastic and properties, means we are going to teach them about plastic, what are plastic and what are its properties. And second is to enable them to understand its effect in environment, because plastic has very bad effect on environment and we want to teach students about it. So here we have to mention all these points. Okay. Now for specific objectives, so for specific objectives also we have to mention what we are going to teach to students. So to let them know types of plastic and its properties, so we are going to teach them what are plastic, what are its uses and what are its properties, and to tell them its effect on environment. So we are going to tell them how plastic could be very dangerous for our environment because it has very bad effect on our environment. So we are going to tell them. After that, teaching aid. So for teaching aids, we have to mention all the teaching aid that we are going to use while our teaching. Okay, so like this we have to write all these things. After that, this is our introduction part. So for introduction part, we have to add like maximum 5 questions, and I have added here 5 questions. First is we have to tell to students that you must be familiar with many plastic articles that we use. Then student will answer, yes, we know many things that we use in our daily life. Then we have to ask, name few articles of plastic that we use. So after that we have to ask them, give me some example of plastic that we use in our daily life. Then they will answer, chair, polythene bag, toys, etc. Third question would be, what are uses of plastic? So third question we will ask is, what are uses of plastic? Then student will answer in their own words. Fourth question we can ask is, what are properties of plastic? Okay, so it would be problematic. Student cannot answer this, that what are the properties of plastic. So fifth question is, what is the effect of using plastic on environment? This is also problematic. Okay, so either you can ask up to this only, okay, or you can ask this fifth question. This fifth question is optional. If you want to ask, you can ask it. After that is statement of feeling. So after asking question to student, and after student give answers of all question, we have to write our, or we have to announce our topic. Like student, we are I'm going to teach you topic plastic, okay? And after that we have to write topic on the blackboard also. After the presentation, so for presentation I have written plastics, means we are going to teach them about plastic. So here you can see this. Plastic is a polymer like synthetic fiber. Polythene is an example of plastic. Plastic gets deformed easily and can be bent easily, means we have to explain everything to students, okay? And after that we have to teach to students characteristics or properties of plastic also. So here you can see characteristics, properties of plastic. Plastic is non-reactive, plastic is light, strong and durable, okay? So we have to explain everything properly to students like this. Means we have to teach them for like about 6 to 7 minutes, and student will we have to teach everything properly to students. And after that, means after explaining them properly, we have to ask some question to students. And here I have added 3 questions. You can add up to 5 questions, okay? Maximum 5 questions you can ask to students. What is plastic? What is thermosetting plastic? Tell me properties of plastic. So these are the questions that we have to ask to students, and these are the answer that we expect from students. This is blackboard work. Whatever thing is we think that is a main, and we have to write on blackboard, okay? So this is our blackboard work. Okay, now after that, this is presentation second, and here is the rest part of characteristic of plastics. Third characteristic is plastic are poor conductor. So after that we have to explain everything, and here plastic and environment, means effect of plastic on environment. We have to explain to students properly for like 6 to 7 minutes, okay? So you can say this, and you have to write it on lesson plan also, and you have to teach to students for 6 to 7 minutes, okay? And after explaining them properly, okay, after explaining them properly, we have to ask a question to students. So I have added here 2 questions only. You can ask a maximum 5 questions to students, okay? What do you mean by biodegradable? Give example of biodegradable material, okay? Like this we have to ask a question to students, and this is our blackboard work. We can write definition, we can write examples on blackboard work, okay? Now this is recapitulation part, and for recapitulation we have to ask a question for on means we can ask question whatever we have taught to students. We have to ask a question on that. So here I have added 5 questions. You can say this: what is plastic? Explain types of plastic. Discuss characteristics of plastic. Disposal of plastic is major problem. Explain why. Differentiate between biodegradable and non-biodegradable, okay? Like this we have to ask a question to students, okay? This is home assignment. This is the last part, means after everything we have to give home assignment to students also for their perfection of knowledge. Okay, so this was my lesson plan, and if you have any question related to this, and if you do not know how to make lesson plan, you can comment me on the comment box below. I will give answer to all the question there. Okay, so if you like my video, please do not forget to like, share and subscribe it as well. We will meet in next video. Till then, bye bye and take care.